been dying to get this Valentine's Day cute, soft, simple makeup look out there. This is my girl Jalen, and I'm just starting off with prep for her skin. So I used the e.l.f. primer. I used the NYX brow gel, and then I'm just going in with her foundation. And I'm gonna go in with these matte concealers. So watch how I'm gonna like highlight her skin. Don't judge how I put the placement on the other side of her face because this is my first time recording for real, and I was messing up because I couldn't really see what I was doing. But we ended up getting it together. So her foundation ended up oxidizing and drying down a lot warmer very, very quickly. So this is what I do to kind of just brighten up the face, make sure everything is still blended, make sure we get a really nice contrast for her highlight and contour without her looking ashy. So I'm really just tapping in that concealer, and I use NW35 from MAC to brighten up her face. And then I'm going in with banana powder just to set everything lightly. And then we're going to highlight that jawline again, like I said, just to get a really pretty contrast between her highlight and contour. So I'm not showing y'all what powder I'm using because my palette looks a mess because I just been dogging this palette. But this is the KKAO. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. The KKAO powder palette to contour. And then I'm just going in with this really pretty blush that's been all over TikTok. It's from Juvia's Place. We all got this blush. And I'm just really highlighting her skin. So now this is the star of the show. I found this Laura Mercier blush in the color Guava. I don't even know if they make it anymore. I found it at TJ Maxx, and I've been using it to brighten my client's under eye. And just wait till you see how airbrush it looks at the end. Now I'm taking her concealer and I'm just brightening up her eyelids so I have a clean canvas to work with. Ooh, girl, we moving fast. Okay. So I'm taking a purple eyeshadow and I'm just kind of carving out where I want the eyeshadow to lay. I'm doing a fox eye, and this is really my first time doing a fox eye, so I'm actually really excited. Um, if y'all are really good at doing fox eyes, let me know what I could have did better. But anyways, I'm taking a really deep purple shadow. I'm working with like plums and pinks because this is Valentine's Day, but I didn't want to do the typical like bright pink. So I'm just really carving out her eye shape and giving her kind of like a winged look without doing an actual wing liner. So when she opens her eyes, you see how it really just accentuates her eye shape and just brings the eye up. So you're just pulling that eyeshadow out. I'm taking Current, which is a gel liner from MAC, and I'm just lining her top eye. I ended up not really using any black liner for this. I'm taking this really pretty highlighter, and I am just adding this glitter to her eyelid and inner corners, and then we're dusting off that baking powder. I'm going to go in with the NYX Tame Frame Brow Gel to define her eyebrows. She had really, really nice brows, so I didn't do too much. We just wanted to give her a really nice, clean shape. And I'm going in with my extended play mascara from MAC before I put on her lashes. I double stacked a pair of Amazon lashes. These are linked in my bio. Ooh, she is starting to feel herself. It's coming together, girl. And then I love, love, love bottom mascara. Pro tip, bend your mascara applicator wand to get more precision on your clients. Now I'm taking Chestnut from MAC and I am overdrawing her lips to get a nice juicy full lip. Make sure you take your time doing this part. And then I'm going to mix these two liquid lipsticks. One is from Jeffree Star. It came in a kit. I have no idea what it is. The other one is, I'm not sure what the other one is actually. I forgot, but I'm going to link it in the bottom. I'm sorry, y'all. But I mixed those two colors together to give her like a really soft baby pink, but it's not too ashy. Just make sure y'all use a really good lip liner. And then the star of the show, I love putting on matte clear lip gloss and just gunking it on there so I get a really nice, shiny, juicy lip. And it was so pretty.
Oh my god. Stop playing.
It's so
To me,
pretty.
stop fucking playing. Like, I'm sorry, TikTok. But
You'll get us banned.
yes.
All right, cool. Let's do some real pictures and stuff like that.
Oh my god.
I like your
Girl,
nails.
I don't
Those are
care.
so cute.
I'm going out today.
Oh, I'm like, you don't.
I don't care.
Okay, Jalen, be safe doing that.
You said me.
This is the final look. It's giving skin. It's giving soft, but it's still giving very foxy. I am obsessed with how this look came out. Make sure y'all keep following me because I'm going to try to upload a lot more for y'all. But you can also follow me on all my socials. It's at TimmyChew_ on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.